Here's how to find all Gmail accounts linked to you in 2026 using Google Chrome. Before we start, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. First, open Google Chrome and go to accounts.google.com/signin/recovery. On this page, click on Forgot Email. Now enter your recovery phone number or recovery email address. Google will show you a list of Gmail accounts connected to that information. Next, go to gmail.com or google.com. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Here, you'll see all Gmail accounts currently signed in on this browser. If needed, click Add another account to check more. You can also search your email inbox for messages from Google. Look for account creation or security emails. They often mention the Gmail address. And that's it. These are the safest ways to find all Gmail accounts linked to you in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Google tutorials.